Hiya! I've just booked me and the dogs into a campsite tomorrow night. What do you think, guys? Oh, are you happy with that, Xander? Do you want to go in the van tomorrow? Do you want to go in the van, Buffy? Do you? Do you want to go in the van tomorrow night? No, tomorrow night. Not now. Tomorrow night. Hiya! Just getting the van ready to take the dogs away. So that's the new couch all done. Looks really good. It's got wet when I opened the door there, but that should be fine. Here, just checking I've got enough diesel for the night, and I do. So because the dogs are coming though, I'm going to have to cover this couch with sleeping bags because they are going to be mucky monsters, and I'm not having the couch getting wrecked straight away. Hello, so we're nearly off. Well, I'm nearly off to pick the dogs up. But I need to, I'm hoping that we can keep Buffy over this side of the van, because Buffy's a clever wee shite and Buffy can open windows. Hopefully there's not going to be any nonsense. If there's going to be any nonsense coming for any of the dogs, it's going to be Buffy. 100%, it always is. Xander is as good as gold most of the time. Right, I will get you when I'm picking up the dogs. I forgot to film the chaos coming into the van there. Buffy, stop crying like a baby. You are going away in the van. Whose idea was this? Unfortunately, nobody to blame but myself, it was me. Right, enough. Stop it. Stop it now. We're going on our holidays. It's not the time for crying. Well done, guys. Been very good. She's very close to the windows, but this is going to happen. So, I don't know if I've told you where we're going tonight. We've booked a pitch up at the Three Forest Drive, so we're quite close to Loch Drunkie. So there'll be a nice wee walk, maybe even a swim for the guys. This road's a bit of a nightmare. It's 8 miles, gravel road. And it's very bumpy, and it has major potholes in it, but the van's going in on Monday to the garage for a full service and a once over. Tell me what it needs, tell me what I need to pay for, and then hopefully I'll get a clean bill of health and we can do a mill at the end of the month. Well, the guys have been very good. Xander's in his wee spot, he likes to sit on the couch, Buffy likes to sit by the window. No, you stay, Xander. Just stay nice. Xander, sit nice. Aye! Oh, here we go. Right. I'm going to have to pull over already and sort this pair because they're in a mess. Here it is. This is what we're driving on. For a good few miles. It is lovely up here though.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I around, I will keep on searching for my highs.
So we're here already, so I've not actually had enough time to charge my batteries. I know, Xander, I know you're happy, you're on your holidays. Are you happy? Yes. Are you happy? Right, calm down, my boy, calm down guys. Right, everybody just calm. We get used to it for a wee pee. What do you think? Right, we've got a minging burn next to us, so we need leads. Because I don't want the van getting wrecked. No, I don't. I think, guys, it's going to be a quiet night, not really doing anything. Because the weather has not improved like I thought it was going to. So, look how good these wee guys are being. Xander's got the bed all to himself. Buffy's sitting there because she knows I'm about to start cooking. Alright, okay, she's decided. Look, I can go elsewhere. Is that nice? You enjoying the van? Give me a paw if you like going in the van. Give me a paw if you want to go home. Give me a paw if you love mum. Oh, you love mum, you're the best girl. Right, I've watched people do pizzas and Ridge Monkeys, and this is what we're having tonight. Co-op, stone baked meat feast, down Buffy. So, when I've seen people making pizzas in the Ridge Monkey, they turn it over. And I just think you're going to end up with a mess. So I'm going to heat the bottom of this, then turn it over. So in all honesty, it's not really worked doing it that way. I think I'm going to have to flip it. I don't want to, all that stuff's going to fall off the top. But I don't think I'm just going to burn the bottom, so flipping it is. First bit done. That looks fine. Ridge Monkey pizza. This is a good day. Pizza in the van. That's lovely. Very happy with my dinner decision tonight. Look at the two of them waiting so patiently on their dinner. No, get down, Xander. Oh, see? You might be good when the camera goes on. Yep, so the dogs are going to get their dinner and then we're going to go for a nice walk. The rain's off. So we'll go see if we've actually got any more than just a road to look at. Dogs are happy, they're getting fed. So we've had dinner and that, so I'll bring the dogs out a walk their dinner off, walk their energy off. I think we've been out about 2 minutes, they're doing my head in already with their pooling because there's ditches at either side with boggy water that they both love. So I'm getting dragged from ditch to ditch. And it's not really the kind of place. The road is closed, the gate, well, it's not closed, the gate's closed. But anybody coming to stay here the night can get in. What he's found. So you just get a code and you can come in through the gate. So there will be cars up and down this road, so I can't really let them off. Aye, so we'll definitely not get the best picture of the night. But it's just somewhere to bring the dogs. Nice walks about here, so that's a good thing. All I do is moan about park-ups around here, but I'm just trying to be honest with you and let you know what you're spending your money on. Although this was £4 a night, so you can't complain at that. And we've got better signal than we did with our £25 pitch last week. Right guys, stop pulling. Buffy, Xander, you will go back to the van and you won't get a walk. Buffy Young, especially you. I'll be right back once I sort these dogs out. There we go, I shortened Buffy's lead and now she's walking better. Just heading back now. Guys are knackered. Right guys, you're pulling. Buffy, stop. Right. Buffy, it's totally you. No. Oh, why can I not have dogs? I'm just good. I know they're not that bad, but every walk they have to pull. Every walk they have to find a muddy bog, or fox shit, or something like that. Straight in the van, mud everywhere. Honest to God. 3 guesses which dog it was. Which dog was it? No, Xander, you're sitting all good, and it wasn't you. It was that little shit that does nothing that she's told. Both dogs are all chilled. Xander is the life of luxury up there, the whole bed to himself. Well, me and problem child are squished onto the couch. And that's the rain on as well. So solo van life's not that great, to be honest. I'm quite bored. We've got the dogs, but they're sleeping, and if they're not sleeping, they're just being high maintenance, hard work, so it's better for them just to be sleeping. You're knackered, son. And you, he's been so good. And you, you're a good boy. Yeah. Now, you're my good girl. Are you my good girl? Are you? Are you my good girl? Are you my good girl? So we're all up. Guys are up. We had a good sleep, didn't we? I was a bit squished, as usual. But that is because the bed's just too short. Xander, get off the worktops. Yous are meant to be here and being good. So they have been good, but I don't know if you can see. Look at the colour of the floor with them. Look at the mud over everything. So we're going to get tidied up and then we'll take them a walk, but I'm going to move round a wee bit to somewhere nicer for a walk. I think there's a big car park that we can go to and there's some nice walks round about there. So tidy up first, get the van ready to move and then get the guys on a walk. Baby whitewash. How's my hair? It's not bad. It's not too bad. I've got a hat there. Might put that on. Right, when you get up, we're not going anywhere yet. Up you get. Right, no, on the couch. On the bed. Good boy. Right, Princess Buffy. There you go. Xander, let her up. Be nice. Xander likes to keep everywhere for himself, don't you? You just want a baby white face wash. Let's see your eyes actually, they can do it a wee rub. You want one as well? Right, let me do your eyes. Well done. This eye? Oh, you want a cuddle? Oh. You are just a sook, aren't you? You really are. You're just a big sook.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner.
Dogs have been amazing. Been a really chilled out ride round. Nice.
Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
Hiya, just dropped the dogs back off at the house there so I can come and tidy this van, and look man, this is what we're dealing with. Dog hair everywhere. Oh, we really do have such messy dogs. See them in here. Thank God we covered the new couch. How's the bed doing? And the bed's not bad actually, they seem to dry themselves on the couch and then move over into the bed. So, I suppose I better get tidying.
Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
There we go, van's all nice and tidy. The couch is back and it's fine. Not a mark on it, so the sleeping bags worked. Well actually, this one wasn't covered and there's a wee mark there. But that was some clean, that was every single bit of the van had to be wiped in. That was one night away. So, might be another solo dog mission, there might not.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.